Let me show you an easy way to download videos from X. Whether it's your own video or someone else, you can save it for offline viewing on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Open the X app or go to the website. Find the video you want, let's say this one.
And that's not how it works yet.
You can tap the three dots in the top right and select download video. X requires a premium subscription to download videos, so you will see an option to upgrade, then subscribe today. Once you are subscribed, the download videos option will be enabled and you can save any video directly from offline viewing. You can cancel anytime if you no longer need the feature.